เ other raptors, right? Can all of you remember their names? Charlie, that's right. Echo, one more. Delta, that's right, Charlie, Echo, and Delta. But one raptor seems to be missing from her paddock. Can anyone tell me who that is? It's Blue, that's right. So in just a moment, all of you will get the opportunity to meet Blue. So our fun fact about Blue is that Blue is 20% larger than the rest of her sisters. Right, Blue is one of the biggest raptors that we have here in Jurassic World. Now you want to know a not so fun fact about Blue? Is that she can be pretty aggressive and extremely territorial. So, for the purposes of today's demonstration, let's all stay behind this caution line at all times. Alright, also no flash photography, okay? We don't want to startle Blue. Alright everyone, so are you all ready to meet Blue? Oh, come on, we have a huge crowd. Are you all ready to meet Blue? Very nice. Now, Jurassic World is proud to present Blue. No flash photography, everyone. It's important. Blue. No flash photography, okay? Blue. Blue, stand down. Stand down, Blue. Blue. Everyone, no flash photography, okay? It agitates for Blue. Please stand down. Alright. Okay, Blue, stand down, Blue. Reminder again, everyone, no flash photography, okay? No flash photography. Alright, Blue. Okay. Now, velociraptors are highly intelligent creatures. Right, so as much as all of you are observing her, she is also observing you. Now, velociraptors are able to form emotional bonds with humans to show loyalty and trust. Reminder that no flash photography, okay? Now, I'm going to demonstrate for you a little tracking exercise that we like to do here with our velociraptors. Okay, Blue, just like how we practice, okay? Blue! Eyes on me. Right. So if you notice, Blue is able to follow my hand. Alright, Blue. Little more. Right, good girl, Blue. Now, I am actually looking for a future raptor trainer. So you here is brave enough to give it the training a try. Would you like to try? Alright, very nice. Stay with me, okay? Okay, so you want to put your hand up. Put your hand up. Good! Blue, stand down. Stand down, Blue. Blue! Stand down. Okay. Very brave. Okay. Keep your eyes not on the Blue. Put your hand up. Nice jumping up. All right. Bring it up towards Blue. Yes, very good. Nice and strong. Okay. Okay, Blue. Eyes here. Blue. Stand down, okay? Oh, no flash photography, distract Blue. No flash photography, okay? Alright, Blue, Blue, back here. Blue. Alright, now take your hand up, Blue, eyes here. Very good. Keep your hand towards Blue, Very good. Very good. Okay, don't breathe. Just kidding. Alright, go and give a hand for our raptor trainer over here. Thank you so much. Now is your opportunity to take a photo of Blue. You can take a video.
Next time you have your turn. Next time your turn. You know what? I see the giant snail. Huh? Your reward is you only had a video. What other reward do you want? Look. Look up there. What's that? No, that's...
Remember the time you said, don't hold your breath?
You're joking.
I was so dumb.